Hey guys! So today we are starting off on stretched hair. I stretched this hair using just the braid out method. The only thing I'm going to be using to do these Bantu knots is the Jamaican black castor oil with eucalyptus. Look, see, this how you know your face big. This don't make no sense. Yes. Leave a comment if you're part of the Big Face Club, okay? Yeah, anyway, so right now I'm just going to section off my hair, sorta. I don't know why that was such a struggle, but it was. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some of that oil. Make sure my hands are coated with the oil, so you know, less friction or whatever. And get a piece, this section of my hair, not too small but not too big. Make sure it's thoroughly detangled with the oil on there and start twisting it up. Yeah, so I'm just gonna twist. I'm trying not to get it too tight at the roots because I know it's gonna be a pain to sleep in if it's too tight. But you'll see I ended up coming back and making this one tighter. Yeah, mistake number one. I got this bobby pin to try to secure my Bantu knot or something. But yeah, this is the only one I used because it really did not work. I mean, it didn't work for me. It might work for you, it didn't work for me. And really, I didn't even need bobby pins like I thought I would. My hair just stayed. See, I'm trying to use one again, but yeah, see, no. So I'm just gonna speed on through this. It's the same thing over and over. Twist, 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 wrap, wrap, wrap. See, right here, I'm redoing this one again, making it tighter for some reason. I don't know. Y'all, when I tell you it's hot, it is hot under this hair. Like, seriously. You have to excuse my sweating. I mean, it is what it is. I'm hot. Right here, I tried to get a little smart, you know, work smarter, not harder. I tried to go ahead and divide the last couple sections of my hair up beforehand because I was getting real hot and my hair was starting to revert at the roots already. Ooh, okay, so this is the last one, and it didn't take me very long to put these in. I think it took me like 35 minutes total. Like once I started doing the twists in the back, yeah, 35 minutes, and I was done. So that made me very happy. Alright, so this is what it looks like when I got all the Bantu knots in. Now I'm about to go to sleep and I'll see you tomorrow. It's tomorrow. Yeah, so I just slept with my satin scarf tied around it. Yeah, those in the back were just way too tight at the roots. Number one, super uncomfortable to sleep in, but I know that if I had made them looser at the roots, it would have been better. So now I'm just taking them down, as you can see. I'm not too worried about it right now until I took down this one. Yeah, that one made me a little uncomfortable. But as for the rest of them, at this moment, I still felt like the style might be okay. Like it looked like there was going to be a lot of definition. My hair is still super soft and everything like that, but I really wanted it to be defined after I, fluff it and everything. But honey, well, you'll see. So yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. And now I'm going to go in and start separating and fluffing. And of course, I put more oil on my hair to try to cut down on the friction and cut down on the frizz. And this side is looking pretty good. This side, however, no. And then that big fluff right there, y'all. Oh, Lord have mercy. See, it's just not working. We're gonna have to save this one for later. And like I'm separating and twisting it around my fingers, to try to keep the curls together. It's just, ooh, Lord, I don't know. Have you ever tried to do Bantu knots with just oil instead of using a cream styler or like a gel or anything? So comment down below and tell me what you use to get the best Bantu knot outs, because the oil only method is clearly not working for me. From the front, it doesn't look too bad, I guess. But honey, this back, that's too much. Now I'm going to try to fluff it out a little bit, and maybe fluffing it out will make it look more even as far as the definition, I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't. And see this right here, I'm just going to take that, tuck it under the rest of my hair, and then bring it around the back of my head and over on the other side of my ear, y'all, because it's got to go. It's got to go. And now I'm just going to take some of this up here in the front that's more defined and kind of cover up the more puffy areas. Definitely looks better. But honey, this back, So, I mean, if I just take pictures from the front, I should be okay. But nah, it's all good though, because I'm about to go put this hair up in a cute puff. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.